Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how can we set up Stack in Trello. So let's get started. Open your Google Chrome and type trello.com and open Trello's workspace. Go to your boards and it will show you interface like this. You have to continue, and in terms to continue, you have to tap on power up. It's an option or a tool in the middle of your screen. You have to tap on it and you'll find these options. Now you have to write stack in the search bar and search it, and then tap on the stack. Now tap on add and it will be added to your Trello. After adding them, you just have to show some patience and wait for a while it is setting itself, and after that you will see the stack will pop up on your screen and it starts setting itself. Now you have to set up some basic information. That's how you can set up Stack in Trello. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel. By following these steps, you can set up Stack in Trello. Thank you for watching it.